S13 drone operation tutorial. Removing the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before flying. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light always on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Prepare for flight. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold the power on the drone. Install the remote control batteries. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. One button to calibrate the gyroscope. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for the middle speed gear. 3 beeps for high speed. Press the roll button and toggle the twister. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Long press to turn on the obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop automatically when it meets an obstacle. Motorized camera adjustment. Press and hold to turn on fine-tuning. If the drone veers to the left, it will adjust to the right. If the drone goes forward, it goes backward. Long press again to exit fine adjustment. Turn on headless mode. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Exit headless mode. Long press 1 button to go backward. Long press the emergency stop button. The drone will stop flying. 1 button to land. Replace the airfoil. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the airfoil screws to remove the airfoil. Pay attention to differentiate between the app markings. Install the corresponding airfoil. Protective frame installation. Align the protective frame with the arm clips and install it. Install the full protection brackets in turn. Connect the app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the app. Connect the drone to Wi-Fi after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on your cell phone to start flying.